Welcome to my Bubbie's Kitchen. We call it my Bubbie's Kitchen because my grandbabies, Lukey, Zachy, Aiden, and Leo, come here to eat all of their favorite foods. My grandbabies love Brussels sprouts, and you're going to love these smashed Pecorino Romano Brussels sprouts. Ingredients for smashed Pecorino Romano Brussels sprouts. So we've got Brussels sprouts, we've got salt and pepper, Pecorino Romano cheese. We're going to use the zest of the lemon and some olive oil. I'm going to finish cleaning my Brussels sprouts. I just want to take off the end, cut them in half. Because when I put them on the baking sheet, I want to put them cut side down. Put some salt in the boiling water. Get the Brussels sprouts in. 15 minutes till they're fork tender. Let's see if they're tender, and they are. The knife goes right in, nice and easy. Want to get them out onto a paper towel. I want them to be as dry as they can be because I'm going to be dressing them before I put them into the oven with oil, cheese, and I want that stuff to stick. If it's wet, it won't. Okay. Get our Brussels sprouts into this bowl. The leaves will get really crunchy, so you don't want to forget those. First thing I want to do is get lots of cheese on my baking sheet. Always have lots and lots of Pecorino Romano cheese in the house. Salt. Pepper. Olive oil. Zest of a lemon. These are so good. I think we should put them on the table this year, Thanksgiving, right?
Well, if they're not on the table, we can't eat them.
Right, but we're testing Thanksgiving recipes.
Okay.
Just to make sure that we have enough Pecorino Romano cheese, right? So I want these all cut side down. Any leaves that fall off, make sure they're still there. Don't get rid of those leaves. And now, I'm just going to use this glass to smash them, because they will fry up like crisps. So we're gonna have a whole month of Thanksgiving because we're trying recipes, right? This is kind of fun. Ooh. You got him?
Smash those babies.
I think everybody's smashed.
Yes.
Into a 400-degree oven. 15, 20 minutes till they're brown. "15 minutes, and here we are. The neat thing about the parchment paper is that nothing sticks. This looks so good. It smells really good, right?
Yep.
Afraid of getting burned. Who's afraid of hot? What cartoon was that from?
Porky Pig. It was a Porky Pig Looney Tune about Porky was a bullfighter.
Yeah. Who's afraid of hot? Well, I'm going to try this, even though it's really hot. Let's see. That's really good. Nice and crunchy. That's going to be a hit on the Thanksgiving table.